if you having HTTP, then how you are going to understand whether it got installed or not? How to verify? Okay, with short description, what is queue? Actually, we don't have much time here to write each and everything again. I'm going to get the document from old classroom and then I'll upload. Don't worry. My laptop having some problems, so that's why. Okay. So RPM hyphen Q. Q means query. Okay. So Q means query the package. Okay. RPM hyphen Q and then the package name. HTTP package name. VSFTPD package name. Then it will show you the package whether it got installed or not. RPM hyphen Q. Now I'm trying to providing HTTPD. What happens? See, the package is not installed because we didn't install as of now. HTTPD package. I hope you got it, guys. Q stands for to query the package. Q stands for to query the package. Got it, guys? So we have one more option. RPM hyphen Q. Right? RPM hyphen QA. A stands for all. Query all the packages. Okay? RPM space hyphen Q means query. A means all. If you hit enter, what will happen? How many packages will have be installed into our operating system? We are going to get installed all the packages, right? So if you want, you can use like this also. RPM hyphen Q grep then tree. Both are same. RPM hyphen Q tree, RPM hyphen QA grep tree, both are same. So query all the packages. From all, we are going to filter only tree package with the help of grep command. This command and this command both are same. This one, both are same. I hope you got it, guys. Clear? So clear, guys. So RPM hyphen QA means query all the packages. RPM hyphen QA means query all the packages. RPM hyphen QI. I means query information. So if you need to know the information related to particular package, we are going to use QI. Got it, guys? Query information. So clear? RPM hyphen QI. Query information. Right? And then we are trying to providing the package name called tree. See, you are going to get the detailed information about your package. So package name tree and version, release date, architecture, when we install today only, right? So Monday 22nd December 2025, right? IST. See, installed it. What type of group it is? Application. Tree is application we installed, right? And then how much size we have in KBs, right? And then what type of license? GPL version 2. GPL means general public license. It's a free version 2. GPL license, GPL version 2. Then signature RSA SHA-256. What is RSA SHA-256? Signature check security. Actually, it's a one encrypted key, SHA and RSA. While you try to downloading, while you try to installing the package, it is going to check the signature. So signature, RSA and SHA-256, right? And then RPM file, then build date, host date, from where we downloaded, and then from here we downloaded this URL, right? If you want, you can download this package from here, right? And next, what is the use of this command? The tree utility recursively display the content of directory in a tree-like format. So tree is basically a Unix port of the DOS tree utility. This tree command we can execute into DOS also. I hope you got it, guys. So you are going to get the detailed information about your package. So RPM hyphen QI. QI means query information. Query information. Got it, guys? RPM hyphen QL. Query list. To query list the packages. RPM hyphen QL. For example, I'm trying to providing the tree package. So tree package related documents where it got located, it is going to provide. Actually, I'm trying to providing tree package, but we are not going to use for command. Usually, we are going to use this option for packages, HTTP, HTTPD, right? I hope you got it, guys. VSFTPD related information you need. So this is license information, readme notes, and where our man command it got located. So tree package where it got installed. Everything you are going to get. Got it, guys? I'll do one thing. I'm trying to installing IVH VSFTPD. VSFTPD means Very Secure File Transfer Protocol Daemon. This is FTP server package. If you need to deploy the FTP server, coming to movies rules, you know very well about movies rules, right? Movie rules and iBomma, those kind of stuff. I think there is no iBomma nowadays, right? Coming to movies rules, you are going to download the movies from movies rules, right? Then how you are trying to downloading the movies from the movies rules? With the help of FTP server only. Those people, they are going to collect the movie files. They will keep those all the movie files into the FTP server, file transfer protocol service. With the help of that FTP server, we can share the data from anywhere. Got it, guys? Clear? So even like here also we can deploy the FTP server in our organization. We are going to upload the required softwares into the FTP server. Anybody can download from Naresh IT Network. Like that I did while I'm doing the work at the time. Internal organization itself only we can download. Our private FTP server. Got it, guys? I hope you're clear. So now why I'm installing this package, I'll tell you. I'm not configuring anything. Just I'm trying to installing that's it. Okay? And hit enter. Got it, guys? So VSFTPD package it got installed. This is package name VSFTPD, and this is what is this? This is date, sorry, version, and this is release date, and this is architecture. So if you need detailed information, then RPM-QI VSFTPD. Simple. So what is the use of FTP server? Clear, guys? I hope you got it, right? Okay. So now I'm using RPM-QL. Before QL I used with tree command. That is a command, right? We are not going to get the, like much information related to command, right? And provide the package name. For example, VSFTPD is enough. Okay. Then hit enter C. According to your requirement, you are going to get the each and every information related to our server. See how to install document, license, readme, right? Where it got installed, what is a home directory for FTP server, where FTP pub. Got it, guys? I hope you're clear. Yes, no? And then where it got installed, everything you're going to get the information. See. And configuration files also. See. Configuration files also. This is a main configuration file to configure the FTP server according to our requirement to provide the security, right? So I hope you're clear, guys. RPM-QL, RPM-QD, only documents you are going to get, but it is not going to provide where it got installed. So what is a configuration file related to FTP server? So we are not going to get, only documents we are going to get. QD means query documents, for example, VS FTPD. See, little bit same output, but where it got installed, it won't show you. Configuration files it won't show you, and then home directory it won't show you. Only documents it will show. Only documents it will show you. Got it, guys? Where is FTP? So got it, guys? QL and QD. So QD, not capital Q, small q. So QD means query documents, right? So now we have one command. It's very useful for you, especially. For example, you're very new to Linux operating system, right? So you need to install few servers. Okay. So after installing the services, you need to configure the servers. Okay. We know where the configuration files had got located inside the etc. But the total path we require, right, to open the configuration file. With the help of QC, server related configuration files list we are going to get. So this is very useful command. It's very useful option for you people. So rpm space hyphen qc query configuration files or query configuration files, conf files. Got it, guys? rpm space hyphen qc means query configuration files. And then we are trying to providing, guys, if you're providing tree command, you are not going to get anything. This is command. This is not a service. Service is only having the configuration files. So command is a one executable program, right? So that's why what I'm doing, I'm trying to providing VS FTPD. Only configuration files list you are going to get. rpm-qc query configuration files. I hope you got it, guys. Where command should get, see, all the root user executable command, it's available into the SBIN itself only, no? Huh? So got it, guys? So rpm-qc. QC means query configuration files. So we provided VSFTPD. So VSFTPD means very secure file transfer protocol daemon. So VSFTPD server related documents means configuration files list we are going to get. And this is a main configuration file, guys. So we doesn't have any configuration part into our course, right? So for just for general knowledge purpose, I'm saying if you need to allow the users to access the FTP server, this is a file you need to edit. Users list, and then FTP users, and then security related, right? And this is also if you want to can create your own configuration files here related to FTP. Got it, guys? I hope you're clear. Yes, no, right? So this is all about rpm-qc. QC means query configuration. So rpm-qa means query all. rpm-ql means query list. rpm-qd means query documents. Query documents. rpm-qi means query information. So query information. Then rpm-qc is important for you while you are trying to installing the services at the time. So maybe if we having confusion from where we need to get the configuration file, which one we need to edit, better to use this option. With the help of this option, easily you are going to get the configuration files list related to your server, right? So now how to update rpm hyphen capital UVH. Capital U stands for update. Instead of small I, we are trying to providing capital U. Capital U means updating. For example, VSFTPD related new package they got released. So at present, what kind of like version we'll have? How to check? How to check, guys? Give I na, then you are going to get the detailed information, right? Which version will have? 3.02, right? Maybe 4.02 version it got released newly. So now we need to update, right? Then how to update? rpm space hyphen capital U VH and then new package name. But we doesn't have the subscription now. So that's why we are unable to execute this command. Again, same package, same version package only we are going to get. So maybe if you're having subscription, you can download from the internet and then you can update it. See, but what it's saying already it got installed. There is no any new updates here. I hope you got it, guys. Clear? rpm hyphen UVH. So UVH means capital U means update, V means verbose, H means hash notation. Then how to uninstall the package? We need to uninstall the package. rpm-e. E stands for erase. E stands for erase. Not host name, package name. Host name is a different, package name is a different. Vishakha, right? So host name is a different, package name is a different. So here you should learn the proper terminology. Host name is system host name. Package name is our software name. Okay, right. So RPM hyphen, yeah, welcome, right? So RPM hyphen E. E means erase. E means erase the package. Okay. So RPM space hyphen E. And then to whom we need to uninstall tree package. Then hit enter. So tree package, it got uninstalled. Tree package, it got uninstalled. So now let's check whether it got uninstalled or not. How we need to check? How to check? Query rpm hyphen q tree package is not installed. If you want to can execute tree command, what will happen? You are going to get the error. It is not going to execute. I hope you're clear, guys. Yes, no. Where will find all FTP server? If you're installing FTP server, I said where is or which. Got it? See, everything I have given the information how to get, everything we discussed, right? Then still you people, if you are asking like this question, then how I need to feel? Tell me. मैं जो पढ़ा रहा हूँ आपको समझ में आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है बोल के मेरे को खुद. Yes, m.repos.d. D means directory. Here I'm trying to creating one file called rhel. rhel. Any name you can give, abcd, xyz, your name, your friend's name, whatever if you want you can give. But extension should repo. Dot repo extension is a mandatory. Dot repo extension. Any name you can give. It's not like this. Provide rhel. Any kind of name you can give. Okay. So rhel dot repo. Open this one. This is empty file. This is empty file. So if you want, you can make a note. Or otherwise, I'll upload the document. Don't worry. Right. So insert rhel is a repository ID. First line, we need to provide repository ID into square brackets. rhel is a repository ID. We need to provide into the square brackets. Where we need to create this one? Where we need to create this one? Inside the etc, we have m.repos.d. Inside the repos.d, we are trying to creating one file called rhel.repo. And second field name. Any name you can give, your wish. Red Hat 64-bit I am provided. Any name. Can give ABCD, whatever if you want to can give, your wish. First field ID means first line ID. Second line repository name. Third line base URL. Got it, guys? Base URL. Right? And then file colon slash slash. Okay, we need to keep the path inside the single quotes. File colon slash slash means local path. Okay, guys, I'm going to open one more terminal. Execute df hyphen capital th command. I'll tell you tomorrow, not tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Df hyphen capital th. And this is our path, image path. This is our image path, guys. Okay, this is our image path, last one. Run media, student, rhel. Before we enter into the image path, right, that path you need to provide. Close the single quotes. That's it. This is our local path. We are getting the packages from our DVD, right? ISO image. That ISO image path you need to provide with file colon colon. You should have 3 slash. This is local path. We are getting the packages from the local path, same machine itself only, but in real-time environment. So they are going to provide one HTTP link. We need to provide the HTTP link here. That's it. Apart from that, there is no difference. It will create network repositories. Next, GPG check. GPG check, guys. 1 minute. GPG check stands for GPG check is equal to 0. 0 means disable. Remember, 1 means enable. 0 means disable. GPG check, I'm disabling. GPG check means, before while we are discussing about RPM-QI command, at the time we say SHA-512 like that, right? That is signature, right? So this GPG check, it will check the signature. While you are trying to downloading from internet, while you are trying to installing the packages into your operating system, it is going to check the signature, GPG. It doesn't have any subscription now. If you having subscription, then you can enable it. GPG is equal to 1, then GPG key is equal to, inside the ETC, we have one key called PKI. Okay, inside the ETC PKI, you have the GPG key, you need to paste here. At present, doesn't have any subscription, right? No need to bother about this one. 0, you can keep 0. We are doing practice, so that's why it doesn't require any subscription. We doesn't have any subscription, so that's why we doesn't have any GPG key. Okay, I'll tell you after completing this session, launch one EC2 instance, go and check there, then you're going to understand. Right? And then enabled is equal to 1. Enable is equal to 1 means this repository, what we are trying to creating the repository, we are enabling this repository. We are enabling this repository. Save and quit. Save and quit. Don't worry, how to create the repository in 8.0 also have into the document. In 8.0 we'll have 2 package folders. So that's why we need to create 2 different repository. Let it complete. I'll open Google Classroom, then I'll show you. Right? Got it, guys? Clear? Then how to check the repository? Yum repo list all. This is a command, guys. See, repositories that got created successfully. Yum repo list all is a command. See, our repository ID, RHEL, and then same command execute in TCP instance. Then you are going to get the repositories list. By default, you'll have no need to create. Enable like this you'll have here, but you are going to get the many repositories by default. Enable, disable like that will have. So from enable repositories itself only, you are going to install the HTTP service. Got it, guys? So our repository ID is RHEL, and the name Red Hat 64, and the status enable, and the size of our repository 4 GB. So automatically it got created one primary DBC. I said a repository means one database. It's one kind of database, right? I hope you got it, guys. Right? Yum repo list all. It is going to provide the repositories list. Clear? Yes, no? That is what, while you are trying to downloading, installing the package, GPG check, it will check the signature. Right? So let's see, guys, here. Now we are trying to installing the yum command. So right. Okay. So let's see, guys, here. We have one more yum clean all. Yum clean all. If you execute this yum clean all command, it is going to clean the yum cache. Cache memory will have na before. अगर कोई installation करके उसको cache memory we need to clean means then execute this command. So m clean all. M clean all is a command to clean the cache. Right. Got it, guys? Now we are trying to installing package. Guys, it's not like this. You need to go to the package folder, then you need to install from now onwards. You can install the packages from anywhere because we did one local repository. So you can install the packages from any path. Yum install. HTTPD star. Okay, then hit enter. See, try to installing. See, before we got error, right? What it's asking? YDN means Y means we are going to continue the installation. D means we are not going to install the package. We are going to download the package from repository into our laptop. And N means we are going to stop the installation. So N I'm using, I'm going to stop the installation. The package total size 4 MB, 4.4 MB. If you installed, then how much it will become? It will extend, it will become 16 MB. I hope you got it, guys. So it won't ask like this question. At any cost, we need to install. -y is option you need to provide. -y means it won't ask any questions. Directly it will install without any questions. Got it, guys? I hope you're clear. Yum install HTTPD. So now yum how to verify whether it got installed or not. Yum info like rpm-q. Yum info HTTPD. So information you are going to rpm-qi right. Yum list all. This one you need to use mlist. Mlist command, then it is going to query the package. So it will provide the package information minfo. Mlist means whether it got installed or not, we can verify. See, installed. Installed. Then we are going to get the HTTP package version. And see, guys, we have small at symbol. Actually, this is our RHEL repository name. We have in front of the RHEL at means, remember, if you having at means the package it available into our operating system, it got installed. If you doesn't have at means, the package it's not installed, it's available into repository. Got it, guys? Clear? Yum list, for example, bind is a package name. See what will happen. See, there is no at for bind. There is no at means what will happen? What is the meaning? At means it got installed. See, clearly it's showing here installed, right? Please focus, guys. It's installed into our operating system. If you doesn't have at means, it's not installed, it's available into our repository. It's available into database, but it's not installed into our laptop. Got it, guys? So remember that one, small things, it's very important. Yum list all. If you execute mlist all command, everything installed like available packages, everything it will show you. How many packages we installed as of now, we need to check. Then give at RHEL then you are going to get the list. So, I hope you got it, guys. Clear? Right. M info, I hope you're clear. M update also you can, like RPM hyphen capital UVH, right? M update hyphen Y, but it won't work here because there is no subscription, right? Don't work, but it will work into EC2 instance. So I hope you got it, guys. You can update any kind of package. So if you're providing hyphen Y, total package set is going to update. But if you want, you can provide especially particular package also, it's not a problem. HTTPD star I'm providing. What will happen? See, there is no updates because there is no subscription now. So that's fine. I hope you got it, guys. M update. M search all. This is very, very, very important for you people, especially. M search all. For example, you are very new to Linux operating system. Got it, guys? So now you got some instruction from your admin. So you need to install web server. Then what kind of package you need to install, you don't know. Right? You're very new to this operating system. You don't know HTTPD is a package we need to install. Not only HTTP, how many packages it belongs to web server, we don't know. At the time, use this one. Yum search all web server. Then it will list the web server related packages. Most of the people, they don't know this. Yum search all, then web server related packages. Those all web server related packages. Yum search all FTP server. See, guys, those both the packages, it belongs to FTP server. Yum search DNS server. See, those packages, this is the main package. Bind means Berkeley internet name domain. Bind full form. DNS stands for domain name system. I hope you got it, guys. Yes, no. Yum providers. For example, we have a directory related to a package, but we don't know what kind of provider it is. For example, where www.html I have given. Then it will print the where www.html providers list. See, you're going to get which one is a provider. This guy, right? Apache HTTPS. Apache server related home directory only I have given. So M providers. Clear? Yes, no? Next. M providers. Next. We are trying to installing the package group of the packages. Okay. M group list is a command. M group list, you are going to get the group list. As of now, we install single packages, right? Individual packages. Now we are trying to installing groups, package groups. M group list. How many groups will have? You are going to get the list. Entire groups, right? This is available environmental group and this is available group. Environmental group means operating system related. Available group means our, for example, softwares will have C language, we have Python, we have, so some kernel routines we need to install. At the time, from available groups we are going to get, right? See here, coming to available environmental groups. Did you remember this one? Minimal installation, infrastructure server, file and printer server, basic web server, virtualization host, server with GUI. While we are installing the operating system, at the time we have software selection. In software selection, by default, you'll have minimal installation. We change minimal to server with GUI. Same thing. You can install the Survey with GUI through CLI also. One guy, he asked to me, sir, I'm not getting GUI interface. I'm getting only command prompt. So because of which reason like that, so he sent the one image to me. I think before 4 days. 4 days before. Last week, I think so, right? So now you need to install this one manually. Then it will work. This one you need to install. Server with GUI, yum group install server with GUI. That's it. Then you are going to get the graphical user interface. So at present you doesn't have that much of knowledge now. So that's why I didn't provide the information at the time. Now you can create one repository, then execute this command, right? Repository you can create into CLI, guys. How we did the repository, like the same you can create into CLI, then execute this command mgroup list, and then you're going to get the list and install server with GUI. Now at present I'm trying to installing mgroup install, right? mgroup install. I'm trying to installing development tools. Development tools means C, C++. Those tools are development tools. If you need to install C, C++, you can. See. क्या चल रहा है यार? पैराडाइज बिरयानी बोल रहा है. I should not have. बाद में मैं शाप दे दूंगा. मैं खाना नहीं है. आप लोग पैराडाइज बिरयानी खाने के लिए प्लान कर रहे हो, बोल रहा हूँ. కోటేశ్వర్, నేను తినకూడదు, మీరు తినాలని ప్లాన్ చేస్తే మాత్రం మీకు హెల్త్ బాగాలేకుండా వస్తుంది, మీ ఇష్టం. Guys, only 5 to 10 minutes, then I'll wind up this one. Tomorrow don't miss. So as usually, right? So very, very important concept. Tomorrow disk management I'll start. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, what is the date? 22nd, right? 22nd, tomorrow 23rd, right? Tomorrow and day after tomorrow and 25th. Guys, those 3 days are very, very important for you. Because we are going to discuss about disk management. Holiday na unte untadi ledante 26th. If doesn't have the holiday, definitely we'll have the working day. So I'll come and then I'll teach about LVMs, logical volume management. Weekend holiday के दिन और थोड़ा ज्यादा डिस्कस करेंगे हम लोग, right? Got it, guys? So 25th, if it is a holiday, then it's okay. Naresh IT को holiday मतलब okay, no issues. We'll continue from 26th onwards. But if it doesn't have the holiday, then I'm going to finish LVM. पता है ना, आके चेयर को और प्रोजेक्टर को पढ़ा के चले जाऊंगा. So got it? Okay, so by 26th LVM, 27 guys, Saturday, this weekend, it's a very, very, very important concept, that is networking. Got it? Always last weekend 2 hours लिया था मैं, right? 2 hours लिया था ना, क्योंकि because of laptop issue, right? So this weekend, अभी तक आप लोग क्यूरियोसिटी से वेट कर रहे हो ना, वो कॉन्सेप्ट स्टार्ट कर दूंगा. नेटवर्किंग 27, 29, 30, networking theory. If you miss that one, you are unable to deploy the VPCs. That is my challenge. You are going to deploy the VPCs. Even Yuma and Azure also will have virtual private cloud, right? You are unable to deploy without knowing that. Got it, guys? From this Saturday onwards, आप लोग जितने भी काम रहने दो, कुछ भी रहने दो, अटेंड करना ही है. Right? 27 networking, 29 networking, 30 networking, 31 networking. ये साल नेटवर्किंग कंप्लीट कर देंगे. अगले साल में SSH स्टार्ट कर दूंगा. Next year I'm going to start SSH. Without knowing SSH, definitely you'll have the confusion how you are working with Putty and how you are working with Mobex Stream. Right? First SSH. Second, archiving and backup. How to get the network backups with the help of SFTP commands. And then third, scripting. Third and fifth. 35 days, guys. Got it? Maybe not next Monday, upcoming Monday, next year complete ho gaya class. Right, guys. Okay, so let's continue. See, it got installed successfully. So packages it got. If you want, you can remove. Yum remove is a command. httpd star hyphen y. Then it is going to remove the package. Got it, guys? Okay. By mistake, you removed the package. Then again we need to recover. This is very, very important for real time. One of my student, he faced the client interviews questions related to client only. So in client interview, they face like this question. For example, by mistake you uninstall the package, or otherwise you updated kernel, right? And then the kernel it's not installed properly, or otherwise you don't like this kernel, you need only old version kernel only. At the time, what we need to do? Yum history is a command. Yum history. Guys, here you are going to get the history. This is history ID and login username. I have login with student only now. And student 2, I switch from student to root. So that's why showing student. Okay. And time and date, action, and then how many packages we uninstall, how many packages we installed. In action, last action is erase, right? I executed yum remove command, right? Yum remove, then httpd, right? So erase. Now I need to recover this one. Yum history undo ID number 4. ID number 4. Got it, guys? So now hit enter. Let's see here. If you're providing yes, it will install. Again, we can recover. Like the same way, if you need old kernel, then execute this one and then get the kernel version, you can uninstall. I hope you got it, guys. So clear? So you know very well about yum list all, now yum clean all, yum report list all, right? Yum install, yum remove, yum update, yum history command. It's a very, very important. Yum history undo also you can do. Maybe by mistake you install few packages, you uninstall few packages, you can recover. Mayur. Got it, guys? So this is all about yum command. How to create the repositories, I hope you're clear. So if you are using your own operating system, please try to create the repository. Otherwise, you are unable to execute the yum command. Right? Got it, guys? Okay, don't worry. I'll upload the document from my home, okay? So history doesn't require, I'll upload the document, each and every command and with short description you'll have. Don't worry. So this is all about package management, ma. If you're having any doubts, any questions as of now, please. Yes, no. Do you have any questions, any doubts? I'll share, don't worry.